Hi there, my name is Leo Locher. I've just written a book called The DIY Phoenix, which is all about keeping yourself going during gnarly times, and I think we've all had a few of those. So I'm going to share a few more bits and pieces, either in more detail or stuff that didn't quite make it into the book, just to give you a flavor and to give you a little boost. We can sometimes feel stuck a little bit depending on where you are on the opening, locking down, again, whatever curve right now as you see this. This can feel particularly prevalent. I had one phase in my life where I felt really stuck. So what I started doing is every morning I took a photograph, just what the view was outside my window at the same time with the same kind of camera. And it took like 30 seconds, not even, each morning. And at first I didn't really make much of it, but I kind of just did that over time. So I think it was a horrible February or something like that. So I did 28 images. And then at the end of the month, I looked at all those images and I actually realized it was a super interesting thing to do, because the sky looked really different each day. The way the light fell on the building on the other side, I started seeing a lot more by doing that. So pick, depending on what's possible where you are, pick a thing you can play with and really hone your sensibilities. Get to try and notice more, see more, feel more, hear more. Particularly, we're used to all these big things, the pyramids or Paris or, like all these things that we can't do at the moment. But, make it small, start with what you can, and even if it's, for example, a photo series. And we've all probably found our coping strategy, so if you have some good tips, pop them down in the chat so everyone else can see them as well, and I'm going to comment as well. All right, go for it. Make the most of what you can, honestly. There's still so much light and love and life and everything else out there.